On this week's edition, we'll give you one final look inside the Recreation Center and tell you about what's planned in this historic building. In this week's edition, I'm at 213 William Street in downtown Fredericksburg. This space for many years was home to the Recreation Center. But on this week's edition, I'm with Mr. Donnie Smooth, who is going to be giving this space new life. So Donnie, thanks for joining us today, and tell us a little bit about what you got planned here.
Thank you for having me, and we are so excited to be here. This is a staple in the community. I promise we're going to do right. We have a fantastic team of people together that we're going to revive this place. We've got great plans, and I know everybody asks me the same thing. Yes, we are going to have hot dogs here. We're going to have several different kinds of hot dogs, so don't worry, they will be here. Now, unfortunately, the pool tables are going to go away, but don't worry. We are going to build the best stage in town. I promise you, lighting, sound, it's all being built around the sound. I think you guys will really like it. We're going to plan on bringing a lot of great acts here. Another neat thing about the space is our bar top here. As you can see, that's kind of stacked behind us. This is a black walnut, estimated to be about 200 years old, that was taken down across from the Kenmore plantation, so it can be considered what's called a witness tree. Our bar top's going to be built around that, and I think Fredericksburg's going to really, really enjoy that.
And the entire space will essentially be gutted for the
Correct.
renovation.
So in this video, take a last look at it, because next time you see this, it will be totally redone. Bathrooms are being brought up to the front. A totally state-of-the-art kitchen is going to be installed. It's going to be a lot of fun. I think it's going to be great for the community and great for our music community. We need this down here. We need great music, and we plan to bring it to you.
And Donnie, talk a little bit about the other venue that you've got in town at 1111 Lafayette.
Sure. So we built the venue. It's called 1111 Lafayette. It was birthed because of COVID. You know, music stopped. We needed some music. It's private, unfortunately, so it's not open to the public yet. However, it was what gave us the idea to take this space, because we have had some fantastic bands come in there. We do a lot of charity events in there. We've pumped a lot of money to the Rappahannock Regional Food Bank, so I recommend giving them lots and lots. They need it right now. And also to the Rappahannock Sexual Abuse Council. They're another great charity that I recommend. And so it's been a lot of fun. And since that was so successful, we have decided that we need to bring it to you, Fredericksburg.
And the name is still a work in progress, right?
Yeah, so we have probably 24 names that we're working with right now, and we're narrowing it down. We really want it to complement the city. We want it to complement the space. You know, the space is the most famous eatery in town, in my opinion. I think in the opinion of a lot of people. And we really want it to be right. So we're taking a lot of time and making sure that when that gets released, that it will be right.
And when are you hoping to open?
So our final plans should be done in the next couple of weeks, and our contractor, who is Schmidt Contracting, they have estimated about 6 months from start to finish, and then we should take it from there. So
you're hoping kind of spring,
yeah,
2023-ish?
2023.
Yeah. Is there a way for people to kind of track progress of the project?
I will start posting on my Facebook page, Donnie Smooth. So I'll put some stuff out there once we start getting going and stuff actually starts happening. Right now, we're really in the waiting process. We're waiting for all the plans to be finalized, and the city and just everybody involved with that. Melissa Colombo is our architect, so she's working really hard to make things happen. And as you guys know, Larry Hinkle is our woodworking guy, so he's getting that all taken care of. So we just have the best team in town building you guys the best spot around.
Well, we can't wait for it to open, and we're so glad that you've taken this project on to, again, give this staple of the community here since 1940.
It's amazing.
Give it some new life. So
absolutely amazing. We're honored. We're totally honored.
Yeah. And so Donnie, we're planning to come back when you do open, and we'll do another video once you've got the space gleaming and ready to open. So
sounds good to me.
We appreciate your investment in downtown Fredericksburg, and we look forward to seeing what you do here.
Perfect. So thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Fredericksburg.
So that'll do it for this week's edition. Appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe to our Fred Focus newsletter and our YouTube channel, and we'll keep you up to date on all the great things happening in the city of Fredericksburg. And also check out fxbg.com, and we'll keep you informed on all the great activity here in our city. See you next week.